I'm about to build is a nightlight circuit. Here's a breadboard, my power source, which is from 10 to 14 volts, around that range. Here's your my power jumper. Here's my small jumpers. White LED, or you could use any color, whatever you want. I use white because it has good visibility. Here's my NPN transistors, 2 of them. They're both NPNs, but it doesn't matter which value you use, as long as they're NPNs. Here's a LDR, which is a light dependent resistor. The resistance change depends on light. Here's my, these ones are optional. 2.2 kiloohms, 1 kiloohm, depends on, one or the other depends on the sensitivity. 390 kiloohms, which is, these blue resistors. The 390 kiloohms. This one's 1.5 kiloohms. This one's 200 ohms. And yeah, let's build. I build it right here, and then when I turn the power on, light's not on. When it gets dark, you shade it, turns on. Then when I replace this resistor, it's never going to turn on because it requires a voltage drop. There's never going to be a voltage drop. But this resistor drops the voltage from the base to the emitter on this transistor. This transistor turns off this transistor. They're both inverts, but it's going the opposite direction as this. So basically it inverts from positive, but this LED negative. So it inverts twice, but then it goes to negative, which means when the light strikes this, the conductibility goes down, up, which means the resistance goes down, and then the voltage drop across this varies, but the voltage drop, it requires very low to stop. So basically it doesn't require much to make it turn on. So, yep. and then pretty nice and bright. See, it's in dark. It has less sensitive, but when you put more sensitive, see? And there's never it latches it because the switches them off cross between this resistor, which restricts the inverted, so it's neither on or off. And if, let's say, if you want to make it really sensitive, you could even go above 2.2 kilo ohms. It doesn't matter really. I mean, you could do it where it pretty much turns on in pitch dark. You do it where it has to be direct sunlight. So I hope you liked it, and please like. And if you have any questions or comments, you could put them below, and please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Catch you later.